Hi, my name is Kayla Johnson. I am 10 years old. My skills are dancing, singing, acting, and playing piano. También habla español. I'm done tripping, tripping. I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep giving. You keep on hitting it, ooh. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on. You know your love is big enough, got me tripping on. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you, tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you, tripping on you.
Okay, we're going to do a cold read. Kayla, why don't you go ahead and slate one more time and tell us what you're going to be reading.
Hi, my name is Kayla Johnson. I'm 10 years old, and I'll be reading Valentine's Day Rules. Well, it's almost that time of year again. Valentine's Day is almost here, and my teacher is going to once again force me to write a Valentine's Day card to everyone in class. I understand that they don't want anyone to get their feelings hurt, but why do I have to write a Valentine's Day card to the kid who pushed me down in recess and made fun of me? Am I really supposed to believe that when they give me a card that they really want to be my Valentine? My older sister thinks that this is where kids first learn to lie about their feelings in a relationship. She said it helps us prepare for marriage, whatever that means.